Hello and welcome to Technology Made Clear. Today we're going to be looking at the Chromebook desktop in a bit more detail, and mainly today we're going to be looking at the bottom right hand side of the screen, and this is the status bar for the Chromebook. It's basically a menu. You can do most of your stuff down here on the right hand side. So using your mouse button, if you just left click on there, anywhere you click on here, it will take you to the same menu. And there's a few things you've got here. You've got the time and the date, or just the date there. You've got the time here. Question mark is for help, so if you need help with your Chromebook you can click on that. There's a little padlock that will lock your Chromebook, so if we do that now, and there you go, it locks your Chromebook. And the only way you can get back in is by typing your password. Okay, so go back to the menu, and the other options you have here is that's shut down, so that will shut down your Chromebook. Here is the volume, so you can adjust the volume here, and that will change the volume on your Chromebook. Up the top here you've got sign out. If you sign out, it would take you to, it depends if you've got more than one user set up. If you've got more than one user set up, signing out will take you to a sign on screen with two users. So it's a good way of signing out of one username and then logging in with another username. Or if you click here, it also allows you to sign in another user. That's different to signing out, because signing out is literally signing you out, so you can sign in a new user. Clicking here, it's like switching to another user, so it keeps both accounts open. Okay, and here we've got, this is your Wi-Fi. Now it's connected to the Wi-Fi. If you click, it's got the arrow there, but you can click anywhere and it'll bring up the Wi-Fi, and then now it should show all the available Wi-Fi networks. And then if you wanted to connect to one, you would simply just tick. Obviously I don't know what this Wi-Fi is, so I'm going to cancel, but you put in all your details there. Okay, so Bluetooth also is an option with Chromebooks. It's disabled. Now with the Chromebook, one of the main areas you would go to is settings, and that's the cog here, and that will go into the settings for most of the settings you've got on the Chromebook. But also, for example, if you go into Bluetooth disabled, it also gives you a settings cog here as well, and that is in a different settings menu. It's exactly the same settings menu, but it takes you to where you want to go for Bluetooth. So it's sort of like a shortcut to the menu, and here you simply just click on there and that will turn on your Bluetooth. Now it's looking to see what it can connect to. There's some wireless headphones there, and there's a phone as well that it's looking to connect to. So it's quite handy that you can do Bluetooth with your Chromebook. Okay, so close down that. And that is basically it really with the this menu down here. Mainly the main part you would ever go into is your settings, which is there. So it's very easy to go from the Chromebook desktop. Just click down here, go into your settings, and that will take you to all the settings that you need on your Chromebook. It doesn't look like much, but there are a lot more settings than you'd think. If you go down, you've got them settings there, but then you can click on advanced and that takes you to even more settings there. So there is quite a lot of settings now. Every single one of these, there's another place you can go to check even more settings. So there's a lot more settings than you'd think on a Chromebook, very similar to any computer really. So you shouldn't really mess about with the settings unless you know what you're doing, but in future lessons we will look at all of the settings that you have on the Chromebook so you know what to do. Okay. Yep, that's it for this lesson. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.